Renting a Tesla is becoming increasingly popular. Tesla's app makes the rental experience seamless by allowing temporary vehicle access and personalized driver profiles. This video guides you through the process of adding your rental Tesla to the app. As of late 2025, the process is streamlined and user-friendly, with features like QR code access and automatic profile syncing. Before adding a rental Tesla to your app, you'll need a valid rental agreement from a provider such as Hertz or Sixt. This agreement confirms your rental details and eligibility for app access. You'll need a smartphone with the Tesla app installed. Make sure you're using version 4.20 or later to ensure compatibility with rental vehicle features. A stable internet connection is essential for setting up and using the rental Tesla through the app. This allows for real-time communication with the vehicle. The rental company will provide you with a unique access code upon vehicle pickup. This could be a PIN or a QR code that you'll enter in the Tesla app to gain temporary access. Note that temporary access to the rental Tesla is limited to the rental duration, typically ranging from 7 to 30 days, after which access automatically ends. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the Vehicles section in the app. Then tap on Add Vehicle in the Vehicles menu. Select Temporary Access from the options. You'll be prompted to either scan a QR code or enter a PIN provided by the rental company. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. The app will establish a secure connection with the rental vehicle, granting you control over essential functions. Once the vehicle is added to your Tesla app, the app guides you through creating a rental driver profile. This temporary profile allows you to customize various settings to make your rental experience more comfortable and personalized. The profile setup begins with seat position adjustments. You can customize the height, horizontal position, and seat back angle to ensure optimal comfort for your driving posture. Next, adjust the rear view and side mirrors to ensure clear visibility around the vehicle. Proper mirror positioning is crucial for safe driving and can be saved to your rental profile. You can also select your preferred steering mode. Options typically include a comfortable setting for relaxed driving or a sport mode for more responsive steering feedback. Finally, select your driving mode. Chill mode provides relaxed acceleration and smooth handling for a comfortable ride, while sport mode delivers more responsive acceleration and firmer handling for an engaging driving experience. Personalizing your rental driver profile with these settings ensures a comfortable and tailored driving experience throughout your rental period. Temporary access gives you control over essential vehicle functions. You'll have access to the vehicle's locks, climate control, charging capabilities, and driving functions through the Tesla app. This also supports keyless entry, making it easy to enter and exit the vehicle without physical keys. However, temporary access has some limitations. It doesn't include full software customization options, and you won't have access to over-the-air software updates that are typically available to owners. Additionally, supercharging credits might be restricted unless they're specifically included in your rental package. Tesla's temporary access uses encrypted cloud-based systems, ensuring secure connections. In high-security regions, multi-factor authentication (MFA) might be required. The app monitors for unauthorized access attempts and can remotely lock the vehicle if necessary. Your driver profile and access are automatically deleted at the end of the rental period to protect your privacy. If you encounter issues adding the rental Tesla to your app, first ensure you have a stable internet connection. The app requires reliable connectivity to authenticate and add the vehicle. Next, check that you have the latest version of the Tesla app installed. Updates often include fixes for connectivity and access issues. Double-check the access code provided by your rental company. Make sure it's entered exactly as given, without any spaces or extra characters. If problems continue, contact Tesla support or your rental provider directly. They can troubleshoot specific issues with your account or vehicle. Tesla rolled out important bug fixes in August 2025, which improved access setup success rates to 98%. The Tesla rental market is rapidly evolving, with trends like EV as a service gaining significant traction. This model allows users to access electric vehicles on demand, similar to ride-sharing, but for personal use. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven driver profiles that automatically adjust vehicle settings based on biometric data from wearables, creating a personalized experience while maintaining privacy. Tesla plans to integrate with more car-sharing platforms, potentially doubling their rental fleets and making EVs more accessible worldwide. Rental Teslas play a key role in sustainability efforts, promoting electric vehicle adoption and encouraging eco-conscious travel choices. Projections show Tesla leading with significant market share by 2030.